This is FOREXACTO's weekly report. More bullish moves are expected on the US JPY. Speculators believe coordinated intervention to weaken the yen will continue quickly in the new week. When we look at the US JPY daily chart, we see the strong jump after the bears took a 5-day drive to the 76 price level. A cross of the 50 line will confirm a collective drive towards the 82.50 and above. Otherwise, sideways oscillations will shape the near future on the pair. In Germany, the European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet indicated the bank is going ahead with the rate hike the coming month. When we look at the Euro-US daily chart, we see the pair is in a strong bullish campaign with room to grow. However, overbought conditions in the mid-charts will need to be corrected before another effective bullish wave gets underway. According to a new Bloomberg survey, it indicates economists believe Canada will begin raising interest rates during the second quarter this year. Governor Mark Carney said a rate hike will be carefully considered. The beginning of the second quarter is just weeks away. And when we look at the US-Canadian daily chart, we see the pair is in a bullish consolidation that appears to be gaining tracks, but within the recent range. The Swiss franc has started to give way to the bears across the board after a long and hefty bullish push versus most crosses. When we look at the Euro CHF daily chart, we see the pair is in a strong bounce from a double bottom formation that appears to be looking to move further. A cross of the 50 line will serve as the opening towards the 130 and above. Looking at weekly charts on some of the pairs, the Australian US weekly chart shows the pair collected back more than 50% of its loss last week. If the plan is to continue, we can look for a bounce above the 50 line for another attempt at breaking the layer of resistance at the 102 level. The GBP US weekly chart shows the pair once again made an upward bounce above the 50 line to continue its sideways oscillations. If the plan here is to break from its recent range, a break of the 50 line in the monthly chart will be needed, and so we will be looking at these from early on this coming week. Looking at tradable news schedule for the week ahead, it all starts on Monday with US X16 home sales report at 10 a.m. On Tuesday, we have UK CPI report at 4:30 a.m., followed by Canada's retail sales report at 8:30 a.m. On Wednesday, we have the Bank of England meeting minutes at 4:30 a.m., followed by US new home sales report at 10 a.m. At 5:45 p.m., we have New Zealand's GDP report. And Thursday, to close the week, we have UK's retail sales report at 4:30 a.m. And of course, this is all New York time. This has been FOREXACTO's weekly report, brought to you by Dell Computers and Monitors, as we look forward to another week of trading in the Forex.